Salesforce Salescloud certification dumps. Q1. When an opportunity stage is marked as closed 1, CloudKicks wants an email to be sent to a team of executives. This email should include details about the opportunity along with the related opportunity products and account. Which solution should the consultant recommend to active this requirement? A. Use workflow rules and HTML email templates. B. Develop an inbound email service. C. Use process builder and HTML email templates. D. Develop a custom Apex trigger that uses custom email messaging. The answer is option D. Develop a custom Apex trigger that uses custom email messaging. Q2. CloudKicks has a custom object, projects, that has a lookup relationship to the opportunity object. How can the consultant build a report that contains data from both the project and opportunity objects? A. Custom report types. B. Matrix reports. C. Dashboards. D. Cross-object filters. The answer is option A. Custom report types. Q3. The CloudKicks sales team can create leads for both business and individual customers. Person accounts have been enabled in its Salesforce org. How can the consultant ensure that leads are converted into either a business account or a person account where appropriate? A. Ensure the company field is left blank to ensure it is converted into person account. B. Ensure the person account checkbox on the lead is checked prior to conversion. C. Ensure the company field is populated with person to ensure it's converted into a person account. D. Ensure that there are separate record types for business account leads and person account leads. The answer is option A. Ensure the company field is left blank to ensure it is converted into person account. Q4. A consultant arrives for a requirements workshop, but key resources are absent. What is the likely reason the key resources are absent? A. The proper roles, resources, and risks were not identified. B. The resources were not on the project kickoff. C. The purpose and scope were not defined. D. The project plan did not receive sign-off. The answer is option A. The proper roles, resources, and risks were not identified. Q5. Which roll-up summary fields are supported between two advanced currency management objects when enabling advanced currency management? A. Opportunity line object to product object in the default currency of the organization. B. Opportunity object to account in the default currency of the user's manager. C. Opportunity object to opportunity object. D. Opportunity line object to opportunity object. The answer is option D. Opportunity line object to opportunity object. Q6. CloudKicks frequently has multiple sales representatives that collaborate on an opportunity and needs Salesforce to allocate credit to each sales representative in order to track against a sales quota. Which Salesforce feature satisfies this requirement? A. Opportunity splits. B. Account teams. C. Public groups. D. Opportunity teams. The answer is option A. Opportunity splits. Q7. CloudKicks VP of Technology wants to start using Salesforce for all of the sales team's automation. 70 million records were all migrated from a legacy database to the data warehouse that will be synced with Salesforce. CloudKicks wants to be able to search and cross-reference records with the original source database. What should a consultant recommend to meet this requirement? A. Use a custom external ID field and map this to the original record ID value. B. Use the standard external ID field and map this to the original record ID value. C. Use a custom field named external ID and map this to the current record ID value. D. Use the standard external ID field and map this to the current record ID value. The answer is option A. Use a custom external ID field and map this to the original record ID value. Q8. Due to internet unavailability at CloudKicks, the sales team is not able to utilize the Salesforce mobile app feature to view, create, or update opportunities. Which 2 steps should the consultant take to resolve the issue? A. From the Setup menu, go to Salesforce Offline and select Enable Offline Create, Edit, and Delete in Salesforce for Android and iOS. B. From the Setup menu, enable the System Permissions Store Offline Data. C. From the Setup menu, go to Salesforce Offline and select Enable Caching in Salesforce for Android and iOS. D. Create a permission set with the System Permissions Store Offline Data and assign the permission set to the sales team users. E. Raise a case with Salesforce support to enable the offline version of the mobile app and update the app to use the offline capabilities. The answer is option A and C. A. From the Setup menu, go to Salesforce Offline and select Enable Offline Create, Edit, and Delete in Salesforce for Android and iOS. C. From the Setup menu, go to Salesforce Offline and select Enable Caching in Salesforce for Android and iOS. www.salesforcestar.com plus 91,939 crore 39,34,143. Salesforce Star